Water resistant up to 600 meters. I'm going to have to test that out someday. That's about 600 meters. Yep, still works. Hello everyone, Tom here from Tom's World, with you today with another unboxing and review of an amazing limited edition Christopher Ward watch. As with all Christopher Wards, we have the magnetically locking lid, and inside, since this is a special edition, we have it in a beautiful brown wooden box. On top we have the receipt, and below that we have the manual. Today's watch is the C60 Trident 316L limited edition. So let's go through the manual first to see exactly what we have. A good amount of information on the watch, along with some photos of the watch. This watch is the yellow edition. They only made 316 of them, hence the name. Here's your technical information, along with a beautiful photo of the back. This is how you set your date and time. And of course, how to use the bezel for timing. Here is the certificate of authenticity. We have number 28 out of 316. Next we have the cleaning cloth, which I will leave in its packaging, but it is quite large. And finally, we have the watch itself. This beauty is Swiss made, has a 26 joule self-winding mechanical movement, a 38-hour power reserve, a date calendar, central hacking seconds, anti-shock system, screw-in crown, unidirectional brushed steel 3/16L bezel, 3.4mm anti-reflective sapphire crystal, matte finish yellow dial, superluminova dial indexes and hands, signature Trident counterbalance on the seconds hand, screw down deep stamped 3D backplate, unique engraved serial number. This timepiece has a diameter of 43mm, a height of 13.3mm, a weight of 102 grams, a Sellita SW200-3 movement. The case, as stated, is a 3/16L stainless steel with water resistance up to 600 meters. Its timing tolerance is plus or minus 20 seconds per day. Lug to lug, this is 51.5 millimeters, with a strap width of 22 millimeters. Well, there you have it, everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more content, make sure and hit that subscribe button, because I may or may not, but probably do, have another unboxing and review of another Christopher Ward watch, this time in bronze. So look forward to that. Thank you for watching. Bye.